Hi everybody, I'm stopping in with really like the easiest Easter craft that you will ever make. And here's all the stuff that you need. Let me just adjust my camera. So basically this is just a bunch of stuff from the dollar store. This wreath just is regular grapevine wreath. I got it for $5.49, so it's really inexpensive. One of my kids brought in a stick and I just shoved it inside. And then I picked up some of these cute little chicks from the dollar store. So basically, all you're gonna do is, I'm gonna use, because there are 5 people in our family, I'm gonna use 2 of the big chicks. And they're so cute. Like, look how cute. And I'm going to use 3 of the little chicks. Goodness, these are so cute. And like I said, I got these at the dollar store and they're so inexpensive. And basically, if you can work a glue gun, you can make this craft. So all you're gonna do is go to your stick. I'm gonna try and put my little ones in the middle here, stuck together. And you put a little bit of glue, and then you stick that on. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of glue here. See, you do not have to be crafty to do this. I promise you. Look. Like, honestly, if you can like push a button, you can make this. There's another little one. There's another little one. So those are, oops. That one is tilty. We won't use that one. Tilty's a word, right? Okay, and then we're gonna put another little bit of glue here. And stick that on. And then we're gonna put just the adult ones on either end. So I'll put a big one here. Not used enough. The only thing you have to worry about is that you use enough glue. If you use enough glue, you cannot go wrong. I did not use enough glue. Okay, watch this one. I've used more glue this time. There, see? There. Actually, maybe I did use enough glue. And that's it. So then, all you're gonna wanna do is add a little bit of inexpensive ribbon. Hold on. You probably want to let that glue dry, but I can't get this open today. So all I said is you had to know how to use a glue gun, but the other thing you need to know how to do is tie a knot in ribbon, which is super easy. I know you can do it. So you just take the ribbon, tie it around. Seriously. It does not get any easier than this. And then we'll do the same thing over here and make it even. You could add some flowers if you wanted to, but I'm kind of keeping mine simple here for today. As I said, you don't have to be crafty. And then that is all you have to do.